Hey, retired Lieutenant Colonel Greg Palka and retired financial advisor and small business owner here to incredibly endorse Preston and his unique gift of bringing the internet live to small business owners. He is an expert engineer who is going to allow you to take your business to the next level. So if you're a beginner, you can call Preston. If you've got a small business that you're already doing and you want to make it better, call Preston. If you are a business owner that's ready to expand globally, call Preston. I watched him deliver a message yesterday that was absolutely phenomenal. He made everybody understand. It was clear. So that a small business owner who really doesn't understand how to capture the power of the internet understood. And I just want you to know that this guy is the guy for you. Hire him. He's going to change your business. He's going to change your life. And you're going to serve more people with the passion that you have.